Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be embellishing a lime green high top Vans tennis shoe, sneaker, whatever you want to call it. First thing first, what I'm doing, I'm taking some alcohol that just happens to be green, and I'm just going to gently clean off the area that I'm going to be embellishing. This is going to be a very simple embellishment. These are some shoes I bought from Journeys. They were on sale probably about 2 years ago. I just never wore them. And it just so happens that my niece fits the same size as me. E6000 glue is what you're going to use. No more than $3 at your local craft store. The rhinestones I use are fairly cheap. They come in baggies like this. I'm going to be using 3mm and 5mm. I didn't have any 4mm, but this just happened to work out just fine. And I have these little Similac tops and a Pringles top just to separate the two different sizes I'm using. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. You can use a rhinestone pick-me-up stick or some sort of mechanical pencil and just get a little bit of E6000 on the tip, and you can pick up the stones and go as you proceed. So you don't want to use too much glue, but you want to do a nice little amount. Always have a fan going. I say the same thing every time, but this is pretty strong. I'm going to start off with the 5mm. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place the stone on there, nice and firm towards the edge. And I'm going to continue to do so. I'm going to cover up the glue because with the fan on, which you should always have the fan on, this stuff is so strong. You don't want the glue to dry out in the process of you applying the stones. And if that happens, it just gets a little rubbery. You could just pull it off, reapply it, and keep going. But why waste product if you don't have to? Okay, I'll make sure you can see that. Okay. And just make sure they're nice and tight, because you don't want to have, just adjust. That is my first line. As you can see, I still have more space in there. I just like to start front going to back. This extra piece of, okay. So I'm going to start here again. Make sure my glue line is close to the first line of stones I applied. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to start applying the 3mm rhinestones on my second line. Just like so, nice and tight. These rhinestones were no more than probably about $5 or $10 per bag. It depends on what quality of stones you go with. It also depends on the sizing and the color. All of those variables can make the price be higher or lower than others. And I usually keep clear and iridescent as a default. I do have other colors. I don't really use them as much, but I do have other colors. And then you just kind of keep going. Again, don't move too slow, but don't move too fast either. You don't want it to be sloppy. I'd rather put more than enough glue than not enough, because you want it to set and settle in. You don't want these to move. You don't want, when someone starts to wear them, that stones are falling off. That'd be embarrassing. It wouldn't be nice. You want to make sure these stones are here to stay. And I'm switching it back to the 5mm. So you can basically see the pattern I'm going for here. See that? That is just extremely gorgeous. Now, I'm gonna do this side too. I'm not gonna show you all that on this shoe. I'm gonna do that after the video's over. But see this area here? Yep, I'm going to add stones there. So what I'm going to do is just take the glue and line it with the curve of how the shoe is going, like that. It's clear, you probably can't see it, but it's there. Now we're gonna go back to the 5mm. And you're just gonna place them there. Nice and neat and close. And close to each other. Maybe my mechanical pencil is too tacky. There we go. You just stick it on there and you just keep moving. Make sure they're nice and tight. You don't want a bunch of spaces in between. You want to keep everything clean, cute, and cohesive. You want to have enough glue because you do not want these to pop off. I don't think they should pop off because, well, oh, I missed the whole space of glue right there. Let me hear you. This is not your everyday shoe. Who's walking around with lime green shoes on every day? You know? So that's one thing right there that's going to help them last longer. You're not going to be wearing these every day. These might be a special day or every few days. So they should last for that reason right there. I mean, if you're going to wear these every day and run track and play basketball in them, yeah, you can expect for some to start falling off, but and you want to allow the shoes to dry in front of a fan at least 24 hours, and then they should be stiff and not movable and ready to wear at least 24 hours. That's the least you can do. I got enough room to fit one more up in that corner. And you just make sure it's nice and firm. Don't do too much moving and grooving because you don't want to knock anything out of place, but you just want to make sure everything is firm and straight. Okay, straighten that up. Okay. All right. Okay, you see that? Look how it's just coming together real cute. You don't have to do yours exactly how I did mine. If you choose to do so, fine. We're not going to probably be in the same stores standing next to each other. I was thinking if, you know, I know it's not a Converse, but you can do this whole area if you want to. If that's what you want to do. You can add some up here. You can do this whole back piece. It's a lot you can do. So again, I am going to do this other side. I just didn't want to drag the video out too long. But I'm going to show you how the complete look is going to look. So there's that. This is the completed version. See that? And this side, the toe, and this side. And I even did this little part too, so when she put her shoestrings through it, this little part will peek through. You know, it's all about the detail, you know? And then the shoestrings are inside, of course. These are brand new, never been worn. So I feel like when she go to school, these are gonna be like a little conversation piece. These are dope. I have a pink pair. I didn't get a chance to do anything to them. And I think I'm gonna do mine like this. Alright, you guys, let me know what you think. Are you gonna do the same? Something similar? Gonna use different colored stones, different size stones. Let me know what you think. Well, thank you for watching my video. Like, share, and subscribe if you want to. And have a great day. Bye.